Introducing the revolutionary innovation, the next-gen transportation solution for motorcycles, snowmobiles, lawn mowers, and other equipment. The second system streamlines the process, effortlessly handling up to 500 kilograms. What sets it apart is the horizontal leveling capability, providing unmatched convenience in confined spaces. With the option to power it using 18 volts or 24 volts cordless tools, there's no hassle of extra cables. Simplify your workload and embrace efficiency like never before. Pickup trucks have undergone astonishing transformations, evolving into everything from lavish limousines to fully equipped motorhomes and even mobile offices. Today, we present an extraordinary pickup dump truck that's set to revolutionize the market, all for an incredible $4,900 accessible to everyone. Installing this game-changer is simple, securely bolting the body to the frame. With a remarkable 2.7-ton payload capacity and a 45-degree lifting angle, it excels at heavy-duty tasks. For added convenience, the tailgate can be effortlessly removed. Crafted with durable steel, featuring protective plastic inserts and a cover, ensuring longevity. Its autonomous 3-horsepower power unit offers convenient remote or cabin control, effortlessly integrating with the electrical system. According to American expert statistics, cars equipped with high-quality headlights have a 19% lower risk of accidents at night. Australian company ARB seems to have taken this into account, as they've done an outstanding job with their headlights. Designed from scratch, these headlights offer a wide range of light beam options, providing 8 preset patterns. For instance, in the max spot setting, they can illuminate up to 1,350 meters. Drivers have the flexibility to adjust intensity, control luminous flux, and modify other parameters. The intuitive control system also includes a reset option. These headlights can withstand extreme temperatures, operating between 80 to -40 degrees Celsius. A pair of these exceptional headlights costs around $1,850. Last year, London and Chicago topped Rex's list, but this year, the situation takes a gloomy turn as they rank as the cities with the worst traffic jams worldwide. In these two bustling cities, drivers find themselves stuck in traffic for a staggering 156 and 155 hours a year, making it a frustrating challenge. However, amidst this urban chaos, a solution emerges for the weary travelers, a revolutionary system that extracts water from the air. This innovative technology utilizes a simple yet effective process of sucking, filtering, and cooling the air, followed by mineralization and treatment with a UV lamp. With an impressive production capacity of 25 to 50 liters per day, all this magic operates on a 12-volt power supply, ensuring you stay hydrated during those long journeys without stepping out of your vehicle. Introducing the ultimate innovation for powerful cars, a robust rear bumper with a unique twist. This revolutionary feature allows easy access to the tailgate through a patent-pending mechanism. The industry-first snap-in system ensures a secure fit without any annoying rattling and can be fixed in the open position for added safety. No need for drilling or welding, it effortlessly attaches using existing factory mounting points. Compatible with your stock receiver hitch and lighting, it even includes mounts for rear-view cameras. Engineered for wheels up to 36 inches, it offers various options, with one weighing approximately 57 kilograms. Priced around $3,000, this cutting-edge bumper is available for a limited selection of cars. Beyond potent engines, traction tires, and advanced roll cages, racing teams demand a crucial tool: compact air jacks. These jacks, seamlessly integrated into the car's frame, boast an impressive lifting capacity of 1.6 tons with a pressure of 8 bars, conveniently powered by a nearby workshop compressor. Crafted from lightweight yet sturdy aluminum, they offer an overlifting height of 25 centimeters. The team meticulously catered to prospective clients, pricing a set of 4 jacks along with essential accessories at a competitive $2,700. Elevate your racing performance with these cutting-edge air jacks that deliver both precision and power. Pickup trucks dominated the U.S. theft rankings in 2021. Over 48,000 Chevrolet Silverado trucks and nearly 48,000 Ford F-Series trucks were stolen, justifying their hefty $177 price tag. The idea for these locks came from the company founder's personal experience. 2 cars stolen within a year led to this innovative invention. The lock has won several awards and has a solid reputation. One customer joked that only a nuclear weapon could break it. Installation takes seconds, and at 4.5 kilograms, it serves as a strong deterrent for thieves. Available in 3 sizes, it fits both left and right-hand drive vehicles. This system is incredibly versatile, catering to a wide range of needs from campsites to delivery and repair services. What sets it apart is its convenience and compact design, consisting of just 5 pieces, making it the first of its kind in the market. You can effortlessly organize your space thanks to its user-friendly setup. Easy access is ensured by the gull-wing sidewalls, while the top rails provide a secure spot for tents, bicycles, ladders, and other items. The Evo version weighs 75 kilograms and boasts a static load capacity of up to 350 kilograms. Its average price hovers around $4,200. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.